Hello friend, welcome to your channel How to Know. In this video I'm going to tell about the copy trading, and I will also tell today's copy trading strategy recommendation. So in copy trading you can easily copy any of the best trader moves and you can earn. Okay, so let's start how it will work. So first of all, as heading you can see gate.io copy trading. Number of the copy for the single strategy is as high as 12,666. Remember one thing before starting, please subscribe my channel and share my video. And also Telegram channel link is also given in the description section, from where you can see all the risk management information on that link. So please go in the description section and find the Telegram link. Please subscribe Telegram channel my, and let's start this video. So Gate.io Quantitative Trading Center has been renamed Copy Trading, okay, and fully launched. New upgrades on the product and function have been added for the quantitative trading. Okay. In addition, to strategy pool has been updated and optimized. Welcome to new and improved quantitative trading center. You can become a single signaler or follower quantitative strategy now. So here in discussion channel also mentioned in the description section, from where you can check the like all the strategy being made or being discussed over there. Okay, I will mention the link in description section as well, and over there my Telegram channel link is also given. Please subscribe also. So today's copy trading strategy recommendation is given by the Gate.io here. In the current strategy pool, there are 1083,061 strategy in progress and 138716 strategy copied. You know how from this value we can understand how much users are copying the strategy from other users. Okay, so the highest return of the strategy is as high as 7 to 8%. No? So you can easily follow any of the best trader, and you can follow any of the best trader moves and you can earn by following their moves. Okay, so here is some list of the best coins on the Get.io and all the other exchanges as well. So first one is the ADA, second one is the DOS, and third one the BTC, and fourth one is the TRX. Where you can see DOS is giving 170% profit. Okay, and ADA is giving 47, same BTC is giving 21, and TRS is giving 20%. I will share this link also, from where you can easily copy this strategy directly from these links. Okay, you do not need to move or search any kind of the strategy on the Get.io by logging it. Just you have to click in this link and you have to log in by using your username password of the Get.io. If you don't have any username password, then just get sign up on the username password. If you are new on the Get.io, sign up link is also given in the description section. Okay, so just you have to click. After clicking, the page will goes to directly traders, and after opening this page, just you have to follow this, and whenever it is buy or selling, you will get notified easily, and you can check it out how this user is purchasing and selling all here short sale, long calls. Okay, so here you can copy easily strategy, okay, by following and by sharing this. So hope I it is very informational video to all. So here you can check, click to review quantitative leaderboard and view more strategy that are available to copy trading. Okay, this link also mentioned in the description section, from where you can also check it out more. So a signaler commission ranking. Suppose the username is 057718 and commission he got 11,397 USDT. If you are having best strategy, then you can make also here, and if you are earning and from your strategy someone also being earning, then you will get a commission on all that ranking accordingly. So you can earn over making the strategy also or giving signal also. So how to be a signaler, just it is also given here. Get.io Smart Quant provide quantitative strategy guidance. User can easily learn how to become a signaler by referring to our help center. I will also mention this help center in the description section, from where you can easily understand how to be a signaler. Okay. I think one notation is noticed here. Please note that copy other signal trading decision is risky and non-principal capital protected and may cause you to lose asset. Please proceed with caution before using copy trading. It means that like anyone if making strategy, then he can face a loss. If he is facing loss, then he can also face a loss. So be prepared for that, and please do your own like research on every time and investing or copying from any strategy. Okay. So link is also given here for the click here the web based copy trading portal also. I will mention on that. So from where you can easily go. And as in the screen you can see here copy trading list also given in the your mobile app, from where you have to click and you have to negotiate over there. So thank you all for watching video. If any suggestion on the videos, then please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.